Now at last let's jump on to maps. Now map has a key and a value, and you can get a value based on its key, and keys should be unique, values may or may not be unique. Let's dive into the code for map. Map again. In earlier tutorial we saw only one value was given because only one value was stored in list or sets. Here we have one key and one value, and in this we'll be utilizing both keys and values will be strings. So we can give generic types as string, and in our series we'll be using hash maps. Now, how to add values to maps? Like lists and set had a add method to add values into them, map has a put method, map.put. We'll use the same example. City 1. So first signifies the key and next element signifies the value. So we'll use unique values and it can be Mumbai. So for Mumbai, the key is city 1 and value is, yes, of course, Mumbai. Copy this, and next, suppose city is Bangalore. For Bangalore, the key is city 2 and city is Bangalore. Now how to get values? First of all, we'll use set to get the keys, and from those keys we'll get the values. This is one of the ways of getting values from map. Since keys are string, so we'll use type as string. We'll name it key set equals name of the map dot key set. So this function of map will give us the key set. Key set means it will give all the keys which are used in this map. So this is showing we have not imported it. For importing it, you can use the shortcut Ctrl Shift O. See, it has imported map for us from inbuilt Java library. And this key set will give us all the keys. Suppose in this case we have two keys, city 1 and city 2. So it will give us city 1 and city 2. And now I showed you how to iterate over set using iterator. We'll use the same way. Iterator, since the values are string for keys, we'll use string as generic type. String keys equals key set dot iterator. Now, while it has keys or keys dot has next, we can get the key as string key equals keys dot next. This will give us the value of keys. And now how to get values from these keys? We'll just print the values of keys using keys. Key is plus key, plus will act as concatenation operator here. Value is, so this is the syntax. Map, name of the map we'll use dot get, and in get method we need to give the key, so we'll give the key here. So this should print all the values. See, we gave city 1 as first key, so it printed the first key as city 1 and its value. We use this syntax map.getKey. Map.getKey means map.get city 1, and for city 1 our value was Mumbai, so it gave the value as Mumbai. And when it iterated over the set next time, so this next method, suppose this has next will check if it has next value or not, and this next will take it to the next value. So consider this key dot next as I++ of your for loop which we saw earlier. So it will just take it to the next value. Now again, when it will take it to the next value, it will check key is key, and for the next value our key was city2, and when we did this map.get city2, map.city2 will result in Bangalore. So that's why we get this output. Key is city1 Mumbai for the first time, and key is city2 and value is Bangalore for the next time. So this is how maps work. So this is all which we'll be covering in our first series of this tutorial, and in next tutorial we'll be discussing Java inheritance concepts and OOPS concepts and exception handling. So thank you for watching this video.